friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm really excited to share with you this cute little amigurumi kitty cat. As you can see, there are straps attached to it, so you can probably guess that it's actually a purse. And you're right, because if you look inside the head, there's a lot of space in here for your little one to put things inside of. It's a toddler-sized purse. Of course, if you're an adult like me who loves kitty things, then you will probably love toting it around as well. But your little one will feel like they have a little buddy with them when they go shopping. And it's super fun because with this pattern, you can easily customize it with your little one's favorite colors. You can change the outfit up, like instead of a dress skirt, you can change yarn colors to make pants and a t-shirt. You can even make the bow into a bow tie. So there's a lot of ways you can make it your own, and it makes a lovely little gift for birthdays or holidays. I made this little kitty cat purse for my daughter's friend who who is turning 2 very soon, and that sweet little girl has a kitty cat at home, and I see her wearing the color blue a lot, which is so precious. So I wanted to make her a little buddy that matches her. And what's really great is that this pattern is mostly no-sew. You're gonna love that because I don't know anyone who just has a field day when it comes to sewing amigurumi. So I try to make my projects as minimally sew as possible, especially when working with this type of super bulky weight yarn that's going to be made for projects that may go through a lot of use or rough play with kids. Because if you have a lot of pieces that you have to sew and attach, it makes it easy to get pulled out. So with function in mind, I created this almost no-sew project. So the only parts that require sewing would be to attach the 2 little arms and to sew this bow accessory to the head. And again, you can easily omit the bow if you'd like. Oh, and there are sewing details, like if you want to sew on a little nose and mouth, there's that. But things like the cat's ears are simply color changes in the yarn. It is these parts and the straps are all no-sew. So I hope you will have a lot of fun crocheting this little purse. Let's go ahead now and take a closer look at the pattern's features. This sweet little purse is once again crocheted mostly in one piece. It's worked from bottom up, so we'll start with the little legs here, crocheting them separately and then joining them together to make the body, changing colors to make the dress portion, and then changing colors again for the head. Once we get to the top, you'll be crocheting the inside of the ears as well, and then crocheting the outline above that and forming an edging on the purse. It's this whole section I just described is all crocheted in one piece, and the skirt is also just crocheted and attached to the body without any sewing. The only pieces that require sewing, once again, would be the 2 little arms that you just sew on at the end, and this little bow that you attach at the end as well. Now, when you are making the kitty, you can also customize the face in so many different ways. You can make eyelashes, you can sew on the mouth, or you can sew the nose and the mouth onto a felt piece and then glue it onto the doll's face here. I used some fabric glue that can go in the wash on the underside. Of course, you can also sew on the muzzle if you'd like. And let's see. Oh yes, the straps are also crocheted directly onto the doll's, the purse, and you are going to be working this all in one piece, going to the other side. You can easily make this strap adjustable to the length that you want, so it can fit your toddler or child perfectly. And you can also add in a lining within the purse, which I highly recommend if you want your purse to be more durable. This way it won't stretch out, and the stitches also potentially can have smaller items escape in between, so you don't want things falling out and end up losing them. So the bag lining is really helpful to just keep everything in place inside, and it also keeps your kitty from stretching out and maintaining a nice head shape. All right, the doll's body is stuffed. That's the only part that requires stuffing, so you don't need very much stuffing for this little purse. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this little crochet pattern preview. And I just want to take a moment to also say thank you for all the warm, supportive comments on my channel. Some of you have left some really sweet messages, and I always, it makes my day to read them. So thank you for liking my designs, for supporting my channel by subscribing. For those of you who are interested in crocheting one of these as well, I do want to let you know that I will have a printable and ad-free PDF pattern available. So feel free to check that out in the description box below. I will have that updated pretty soon after I get it written up and published. So there's that. Thank you in advance for supporting me as a crochet blogger and designer, and I hope you'll enjoy more free patterns that I come up with. All right, hope you have a wonderful one and take care now. Bye!